Are you looking for the best blender food processors? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best blender on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Oster Pro 1200 Blender, Editor's Choice. Serious blender users appreciate having all the bells and whistles at an affordable cost, which describes the Oster Pro 1200 blender. Precision and control are remarkable with multiple speeds and several pre-programmed speed settings that permit time-saving operations like one-touch salsa blending. This elite food processor blender with a glass jar is all about making things easy for you. Instead of having to monitor the blending and processing operations of the product, you can rely on multiple speed and programmed settings. The programmed settings are ideal for creations that you may not be familiar making, such as creamy milkshakes. For those of you who may have previously owned an Oster Pro blender or food processor, this model's blades are 50% larger than before, creating faster and smoother results. You can count on smooth blending results thanks to a 1200 watt power motor that spins the blades in forward and reverse motions. In addition to silky smoothies, this blender prepares fruits and vegetables with a chopping blade and stainless steel slicing disc. The modern, stainless steel design is a lovely addition to your countertop and can even make tasty soups for you. At number 2. Nutri Ninja BL770, Biggest Servings. People have busy lives and don't need appliances slowing them down. The Ninja BL700 was designed to address the issue of time by performing quick operations. Did you ever think you could make 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds? It's possible with this blender. The pitcher and processing bowl can hold large quantities, saving time by eliminating the need for creating multiple batches. Also, it's easy to carry your food and drink creations with you because the food processor blender comes with 2 to-go cups. You don't have to worry about accidentally spilling your smoothie during your commute because the cups have secure travel lids. If you want, you can even store extra drinks and anything else in the cups because the XL pitch and bowl blend large batches with professional performance. Whole vegetables and fruits are chopped and blended in a matter of seconds. You can trust the quality of the total crushing and pulverizing operations because of a powerful 1500 watt base, comparable with commercial blenders. Additionally, your drinks will be more nutritious and better tasting because of the efficient nutrient and vitamin extraction technology. All in all, it's professional blending at your fingertips. At number 3. Ninja Foodi Blender HB152, Most User-Friendly. The Ninja Foodi HB152 is the most user-friendly blender in this review. It's one of Ninja's latest addition to their product line of blenders. This product features a very powerful heating element and a blending motor. Its blending motor has a peak of 1400 watt power capacity while the heating element has 800 watts. Also, it has a very sharp 4-prong set of blending blades for the best performance. Besides its user-friendliness, one of its most significant selling points is that it can handle both hot and cold recipes. The motor is powerful enough to handle traditional functions such as ice crushing, ice cream making, and frozen drinks blending. You can also use it to puree vegetables and fruits for smoothie making. It has a pulse button that lets you dice and chop ingredients quickly. Besides the 1400W motor base and built-in blade system, its accessories include a 64-ounce glass pitcher. This has a maximum cold fluid capacity of 56 ounces. There is also a locking lid with a center cap that is removable. Other accessories include a cleaning brush and a tamper. At number 4. Ninja QB900B, Apartment Friendly. The Ninja QB900B is a powerful blender which proves that spending less does not mean sacrificing quality. Not only does it crash and blend ice and frozen vegetables, like the best blenders for ice and frozen fruits do, but it also dices, chops, minces, and purees vegetables and fruits. The capability allows you to make tasty creations like salsa, guacamole, and hummus, even butter. However, if you want no chunkiness, the blender creates smooth, consistent drinks too. In order to save you time spent cooking, The blending cups come with storage lids to keep your food and drinks fresh. Fruit and green smoothies. Many customers have praised the blender's power despite having a motor of only 400 W. Additionally, the instructions are easy to follow and include a section for troubleshooting. It is a little bigger than the Ninja BL201. Product dimensions are 11x 12.2x 7. This blender still has a compact, sleek design. Already less than $40, a few extra bucks will allow you to purchase an extended warranty. At number 5. Cuisinart BFP 703 BC Bundget pick. If you are on budget, then you will like our next pick. The Cuisinart BFP 703 BC is the budget option on this roundup. It comes with a relatively powerful motor that is one of the best for a variety of produce that require some blending. The design is simple, yet elegant in its way. It comes with several parts that are made of high-quality parts. The container, for example, is a 48-ounce jar that is made of high-grade BPA-free plastic. Thus, it will last for a long time of use. The body of the blender itself is made of high-grade metal. Therefore, it will remain durable even if it falls a few times. The parts are also dishwasher-friendly. Therefore, you will find it easy to clean after use. Away from the design of the parts, the actual performance is excellent. It has a relatively powerful 500 W motor and has 6 pulse speeds. Thus you can use it to blend different type of produce. With a 3-year warranty, you have a blender that can be repaired or replaced at no additional cost to you. One of the downsides of this option is the lack of smart options. However, these are not a necessary requirement for an excellent blender.